The average adult makes thousands of decisions a day. Now imagine the millions of decisions that need to be made by enterprises every day. Winning companies make better decisions faster. Business leaders need to transform terabytes upon terabytes of data into insights and then into action. Cognizant's intelligent decisioning uses AI and advanced analytics to enhance every aspect of the decision-making process, guiding businesses with speed and agility, even in times of uncertainty. It allows decision makers to know what's happening, identify why events happened, what might happen next, and to rapidly figure out the next critical actions to take. Using evolutionary AI, intelligent decisioning automatically creates powerful models that can discover new decision-making strategies. This means it can map millions of outcomes and use computation methods to recommend the best decisions to drive those outcomes. With over 25 years of experience in data, applications, and business processes, we're here to incorporate intelligence into your decision-making. Find out more at cognizant.com/AI.